IP Villa Intercom supports Mobile Tuya app. Now, I will teach you how to add Wi-Fi Tuya with indoor monitor. Find the setting, Wi-Fi. Put the password. Add device, can scan code. Connecting. Connect successfully. One button to call. Call to indoor monitor, also call to your mobile together. Start talking. Unlock from mobile. Support unlock to door. Hang up. Okay, call to indoor monitor to check in. Unlock. Start talking. Hang up. Now, add the card. Find the card management. Add successfully. The door is open. Two color optional for Wi-Fi Tuya indoor monitor, black with golden, white with silver color, full touchscreen. Very beautiful, high level.